I open up Photoshop and start my day. Got an email here from the boss. Little Jimmy has gone away on holiday. Can you pick up from where he left off? Sure, NP. I grab the PSD, fire it up. I got you, player. But as I'm staring down the barrel of the layers panel, I see he hasn't named a single layer. Now you and Jimmy might agree to name a layer needlessly, ain't no one got time for that. But if you work with the team around external supplier, then I've got a bit of feedback. Copy 1, copy 2, copy 3, f*** me. This document's a total mess. I have to use auto-select, and that's a lack of respect, so here's some issues I'd like to address. When a layer says copy, that's pretty bloody sloppy. It's the mark of a true beginner. You can switch this off in your panel options and also make your thumbnails bigger. If you're on a deadline and your issue is time, then you need to stop using your mouse. Because if you double click and miss, it opens layer styles, so keyboard shortcut should be in your wheelhouse. Change your shortcut for layer, rename layer, and pick a key you won't forget about. Use Option Square Bracket to cycle through the stack. It'll save you heaps of time, no doubt. Now if this isn't for you, then there's nothing I can do, but the very least that you can do. Press Command and G and do a scoop to put your layers into groups and maybe add some colour to boot. Name your layers, players.